So there's a lot of wireless security cameras out there, but do they pan, tilt, and zoom? Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Brandon Rapola, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at another smart home camera. Now, there's a little bit of difference between this one and the other ones that we reviewed. This one actually pan, tilts, and zoom. It's also in a nice, just, subtle, elegant, kind of, futuristic design of just a nice sphere. That's probably for the function of pan, tilt, and zoom. Now, for this camera, we have the 4 megapixel 2K camera. It is pan, tilt, and zoom, honestly. It's got auto zoom tracking, wide dynamic range, secure cloud storage. That's optional. Sleep mode for privacy protection. It's got two-way talk so that, you're able to talk to whomever or they're able to talk to you whenever you're on the app. This also has a micro SD slot for local storage. That meaning it's going to record there and delete as needed. Let's get into the box itself. This is from EZVIZ, and I'm actually super excited to use this because I may be using this in my apartment later. Here we are with the camera itself here. Nice, sphere kind of like subject here. Nice finish on the bottom right here. I'm going to go ahead and just take everything off. So look at that, guys. Here is the camera itself, but that was just a little bit of a sneak peek. We got to get to everything else inside the box. Let's go. It's got a quick start guide here. A nice QR code for us to scan. So that way, we could see the online manual and download the app. And let's get into the actual accessory / goodie box here. As we unbox this puppy here, we're pronounced with a mount so that you're able to put it on the ceiling like so. So you simply just, screw it onto the ceiling, twist and turn, and simple as that, you're able to mount it onto the ceiling. I won't be using that for that feature. And then we have a nice card here. So it gives us the ceiling mounting drill template. So we know exactly where to drill the holes. There is a service card here that they provide as well. And they provide the switching adapter, which is the main power hub here. And then if we get into the rest of the box here, it looks like it's having us open the other side. And we have the nice super long cord here. It's just a standard USB-A to USB cable, micro USB. And let's set everything off to the side, guys, and let's actually take a look at the device in further detail. Nice camera right here, nice finish. Just a nice, sphere round circle. There's about the size of it. If I want to hold up to my head, that's about the size of it. So you guys get a little bit more of a exact representation. As for the bottom here, you are able to use Wi-Fi, and then you have an Ethernet port here for, maybe if you wanted to do strictly IP, you can do that as well. And there is the power input right there. As we said before, just a micro USB cable. And then here is the micro SD slot so that you're able to record footage on the micro SD card itself and not just in the online cloud storage and whatnot. So I could twist this. It's on a motor mount. I don't really want to do that too much because it could mess up the internals and the motors inside. And then on the back here, it has the microphone output / speaker. You can't really see that. Let's see if we can get a better representation here. If you guys can see barely right there, there is the, nice microphone output / input right there. There's a small button right here for resetting the device if need be. There's the microphone input right there for, whomever is on the other side and whatever you're viewing of this camera. So we're going to need to do a little bit of a video test / setup. So I'm going to be taking my phone, guys, and I'm going to be going to the App Store here, and I'm going to be looking up the EZVIZ app here. So I'm going to get that app. It's got 5.3 thousand reviews. So I guess you guys know we're not dealing with a cheap product here. It's got 4.5 stars for the app itself. So that must be something good, right? All right. So I got the app right here. I'd be creating a new account. And if you guys hear that, this actually just spun around and it told me to use the app for Wi-Fi configuration. All right, so I'm in the main screen of the app here. It told me to add a device. It is a camera. Okay, so it actually told me to scan the QR code here to add the device. So if I just go that, it automatically pulled up the device here. So I have the C6W. Device is powered on. yes, I want to automatically configure. It is flashing blue, as you guys can see right there. It is flashing blue right there on the bottom of the camera. It's just asking us to connect to the Wi-Fi and add it. So I'm going to be doing that right now. It had just told me to connect to the device Wi-Fi itself. So I'm connecting to this Wi-Fi. Looks like it says setting now. So I'm going to wait until this is done. All right. So now it's telling me to choose my space. I'm just going to click living room for now because I don't have a certain space. As you guys can hear that, the device said connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. And then it just told me that the Wi-Fi was connected. And look at that. I want the audio. Yep. All right. So the device is up and working. So I just came back from my apartment from installing the camera. Like I said in the first beginning part of this video, if we take a look here, I'm going to be pulling up my screen right over here. We're in the main home app here. I've already added the device like we said, right? It's in the living room right now. So if I go ahead and just click on it, we see we've got a live view of what's going on here. Again, this is a pan, tilt, and zoom camera. So, you know, it's already finding a subject to zoom on, right? And if we decide to do a pan, tilt, and zoom, you can either go in and do this, bring up your toolbar right here, click PTZ for pan, tilt, and zoom, and it'll bring it up right here. Or you're more than welcome to just head back to the main screen here, click PTZ, and you're able to hold the buttons and move around the device. That's my little home studio there for my other business. Don't worry about the mess there, but there's my little home office right there. You can see the box of the original packaging, my roommate, you know. It's really simple and easy to use. And of course, you guys have cloud storage, or if you have a micro SD card, it's going to be recording to what you put inside the app. So if you wanted to record all the time or on certain parts of the day, etc. And I just took a screenshot right there, as you guys can see. I can also talk back to the camera itself right here. As you see right there, I was able to talk. But I'm not going to be doing that because I don't want to scare my roommate. And you're able to do rearrange. You can have privacy mode, so you can turn it off. You're able to take a 360 picture, so it's going to take multiple pictures and put it into one. So that's pretty cool. And then obviously you can record videos and take a screenshot. I don't have the cloud storage, and if you click SD card right here, you're able to see the video that you are recording. So that's about it for this app, and I've actually added it to my Google Home. You're able to do that as well. You just simply just go plus, set up a device, works with Google, and you say search up EZVIZ, and then it'll come up, and then you log into the account that you originally signed up with EZVIZ. And just like that, guys, you're able to add this camera to your app, and it was simple install, easy to use, easy to set up. The video quality is actually amazing because it is 2K 4 megapixels, which is a decent amount for a security camera. That's really all you need, right? So good job, EZVIZ, on this one. And you guys can find this on Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, or whatever. But I have a special link down in the description for the best price possible on this device. So if you click that link and you go through that, you'll get this at the best price on Amazon. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. Stay tuned for more content. We have a lot of exciting plans, me and Michael. So I'll see you on the next one.